PinkSale is a popular platform for launching new decentralized tokens and pre-sales. If you're looking to create a token on PinkSale, here's a step-by-step guide. Create a token. Before launching on PinkSale, you need to create your token using a standard like BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain or ERC20 for Ethereum. You will need to define parameters like token name, symbol, initial supply, and distribution structure. Deploy smart contract. Deploy your smart contract on the blockchain of your choice. Ensure that the contract has a clear and secure implementation to avoid security risks. Set up tokenomics. Define how the tokens will be distributed, whether through pre-sales, team allocations, liquidity pools, or marketing incentives. This is essential for setting a balanced and transparent distribution model. Connect PinkSale. Log into your PinkSale account and navigate to the Launchpad section. From here, you can create a new token launch by selecting the type of blockchain you want to use. Fill in details. Enter the details of your token, including the token's name, symbol, total supply, liquidity pool percentage, and pre-sale start and end dates. You will also define vesting periods for team allocations and other restrictions. Set up pre-sale. Set the pre-sale conditions such as soft and hard cap, token price, maximum purchase per wallet, and lockup periods. You will need to lock liquidity for a specified duration to ensure the longevity of your project. Submit and launch. Review and submit the token and pre-sale details on PinkSale. Once approved, the token will be available for purchase through the pre-sale on PinkSale. Investors will be able to contribute directly to the project in exchange for your tokens. Manage and promote. Post-launch, continue managing your token by monitoring community engagement, liquidity, and development progress. Regularly update investors and maintain transparency throughout the lifecycle of the token.